A very good evening to all of you. This is Yogendra from Fast Coding School. Guys, can you please confirm me using chat window or using yes and no option in the Zoom window that you can hear me clearly? Guys, please give me a confirmation. Okay, Param Choksi, he's back. Okay, Anju Seni, Akshata Chaudhary, Ria, Adarsh Kataria, Krishna, a lot of people. Okay, Nilay Kumar, Anmol Rao. Okay, a lot of people. Okay, so guys, a very warm, good evening to all of you. And I again repeat, this is Yogendra from Fast Coding School. And along with me, Dr. Sylvester Fernandez, we all welcome you to the launch of Project Internship, guys. And this is going to be batch 10. That means we have completed 9 batches in the past. In fact, ninth batch is going on. Okay, and they will complete this internship in next 2 weeks. So, guys, welcome and please get settled. Okay, and in this webinar, guys, in this webinar, I'm going to talk about the internship, that what kind of project you would be working on, what kind of level you will achieve, how it is going to help you in getting a job in the future. Okay, how come this is going to improve your resume. Okay, and how come it can give you a real life experience regarding a project development. Guys, this is not a course, this is an internship. Okay, so now guys, I will take around half an hour. I will take around 25 minutes to 30 minutes where I will explain each and every aspect of this internship. So I request every one of you that please focus on the screen, what you see right now and what I say. Okay, and later on you can have your queries and we will be happy to answer all of your questions related to this session. So guys, please let me know, is it okay with you to start now? Can we start now, guys? Everybody comfortable? Everybody settled, guys? Please give me a confirmation. Okay, a lot of people now saying yes to me. Okay, okay, okay. Good, guys. Thank you. Thank you for that. So, guys, first of all, let me start now. Okay, so guys, I'm going to use a pen tablet to explain a lot of stuff to you, and then I will go through a very quick overview of the internship. Okay, so please be focused right now. So guys, as of now, what is the most hot skill or a most hot topic in the IT industry or in the world of technology? Guys, that word is AI. And what the AI stands for, guys? AI stands for artificial intelligence. Okay, this is the artificial intelligence. So first of all, guys, this internship that we are offering to you is related to this domain, first of all. Okay, and artificial intelligence has so much potential now that almost every university, every college, they are offering courses or degrees in AI. Okay, almost every startup, whether it's a software startup, whether it's a hardware startup, whether it's an e-commerce company, almost every company is using AI, artificial intelligence, right? Maybe directly or maybe indirectly, guys. Okay, and maybe you must have been watching the print media pages, or you must be going through a lot of YouTube videos. Everywhere you will find, right, that everybody is talking about the AI right now, particularly in the domain of technology, guys. Okay. Now, guys, the first thing that you should understand that how you can make a career in AI, how you can get a job in AI, which is seen that for next 20 years, guys, next 20 years will revolve around AI only. Whether it's a technical domain, whether it's a non-technical domain, everywhere AI services would be the part of life, guys. Whether it's a India, whether it's a US, whether it's somewhere else, AI is coming in a big way, or already it has started, guys. Okay. Now question comes that how you can get a job in AI. Okay, so how to get a job in AI? That is the first question I think we should all look for, and we should get an answer for that. So guys, as per our experience from fast coding school, guys, okay, I want to give you a path. Whether you join this internship or you do not join this internship, this blueprint will go with you everywhere. So guys, you need to keep a track of this blueprint, what I'm sharing with you. Okay, so what can be your path, right, where you can get an opportunity in the AI domain, guys? So guys, as of now, the most popular programming language in the world of AI, in the world of data science, in the world of data analytics, in the world of machine learning, in the world of deep learning, right? The language, the most popular language as per 2019 Stack Overflow survey, it is Python. Guys, do you agree with me or not? Let me know. Guys, do you agree with me or not? As per 2019 Stack Overflow survey, Python has been recognized as the most popular #1 programming language, guys. Okay, so what should be your starting point? So guys, your starting point, where I will call this as the step 1. Okay, your starting point is that you should be good at Python. And how you can become a good at Python? Not reading the books, by not reading the videos, by not reading anything. I think working something practical will make you perfect, will make you good in Python. So guys, focus on the practical aspect of learning. Okay, after moving from this, okay, and moving to step 2, guys, moving to step 2, what should be the case? Guys, in step 2, you should focus on some of the advanced Python features. And what comes under advanced Python? So guys, you should focus on the concept of object oriented programming concepts. Okay, you should focus on how you can handle the database using Python. You should focus, okay, including database, here comes the SQL part as well. Guys, after this, you should be able to write a Python script that can fetch the data, or that can scrap the data from any website, guys. So we call this concept as web scraping. Okay, so you should be able to understand the web scraping and couple of other things, that how to use REST APIs, how to use other stuff which is more or less related to internet. Okay, so guys, these are couple of highlights, right, where you should focus around advanced Python phase. Okay guys, after moving from step 2, again guys, do not focus on simple gyan, theoretical knowledge. Okay guys, nowadays every interviewer judges your practical skills. Every company judges your practical skills only. They guys are not only interested in your practical in your theoretical knowledge. They are more interested now what kind of projects you have done, what kind of practical job you have done, what kind of internship you have done in the past. So guys, focus on that part. Okay, now guys, I'm moving to step 3. So guys, these are the steps towards AI career. Okay, I'm talking about the AI career. Okay, that how you can build a AI career. So guys, in the step 3, you should focus, because now this is the phase where the data science activities are going to start. So guys, step 3 is data analytics. Okay, and what is good about data analytics, guys, you can directly jump from Python to data analytics, right? So if you want to skip this phase, you can skip this. But if you are doing it, that's fantastic. That's very good. But if you know the basic Python, you can start with the data analytics directly, guys. Okay, guys, in data analytics phase, what comes in the data analytics, guys? In the data analytics phase, guys, you play with the data, you understand the data, you find out the patterns in the data, you visualize the data. Visualization means, guys, showing the data in a graphical format. Okay, showing the data in a graphical format, guys. Okay, so all of these things where you are analyzing the data, you are trying to find out the patterns in the data, maybe you are cleaning the data as well, because the data is not in the state which can be analyzed directly, so you may have to handle those kind of activities as well. Okay, so you have to do lot of stuff when you talk about the data analytics, guys. Okay, and to perform data analytics, guys, you should have a knowledge around a library called pandas. It's a library, guys, in Python, okay, which is used for data analytics purpose. You should be good at another library called numpy, guys. Okay, and you should be good at a one more library which is used for visualization, guys. What do you mean by visualization? Showing your data in a graphical format. And for that purpose, guys, you should be using matplotlib. Okay, or maybe you should be using a web-based tool like Dash or something like that. Okay, there are a lot of options available. Okay, at least these 3 set of libraries you should be comfortable when you say that you are good at data analytics. Okay, someone, Aman Kumar, is also saying that Seaborn is also there. Yes, Aman, you're right. Okay, Seaborn is also there. Okay, so guys, data analytics is the phase, right? As a fresher, guys, as a fresher, any company will hire you as a data analyst only, guys. Whatever you know, okay, whatever you know, guys, it doesn't matter. Any company will give you a starting position as a data analyst only. Whether you are already good in deep learning, whether you are already good in something else, guys, your starting career in most of the cases would be as a data analyst. Okay, so a couple of people are saying that in creating the visualization, people can use Power BI as well, guys. You know, guys, I'm talking about Power BI. BI stands for business intelligence. Okay, it is a tool from Microsoft. Okay, so people can use Power BI as well, and Tableau. There is a one more tool, guys. Okay, which can be used for visualization and analytics purpose, guys. These 3 libraries are for programmers, guys, the guys who write code, the guys who are developer. Okay, they can use Python, they can use pandas, they can use numpy, they can use any other visualization library, and they can perform the client activities or the activities required by the client or by the company. Okay, if you are not good at coding, okay, you have no idea how to write a code in Python or how to use other libraries, guys, you can directly use these tools, Power BI and Tableau. And here comes a very interesting fact, guys, that it doesn't mean that you should be good at coding, then only you can join this data analytics, domain, or then only you can get into a AI domain, guys. Right, without the knowledge of coding as well, you can become a data analyst, guys. You can also get a job even without without being good at programming. You can use Power BI and Tableau kind of tools as well. Okay, so yes, Akshata, you're right. Okay, now guys, moving from, okay guys, this domain, right, this is area where we are going to offer you the internship, guys. This is the area, guys, for today. The internship would be focused on this area, guys. So we have an internship for you in this domain, which is data analytics. Okay, now guys, I'm going to step 4. Guys, in the step 4, you have to focus on machine learning. Okay, So guys, you have to focus on machine learning. So in case of machine learning, okay, so guys, in machine learning, you need to focus on a lot of things, that what is regression, what is classification, what is clustering, what is association, okay, what is the training of the model, what is the prediction, okay, all of these things, okay, how to prepare a trained data set, how to prepare a test data set, how to optimize the model, how to visualize the results, all of these things come under machine learning, guys. And here is a library, a particular library called sklearn, guys. I'm talking about a library, guys, sklearn. People call this as a scikit-learn as well, okay. So this is the library where you use it, guys, okay. Now guys, in the step 5, guys, I'm talking about the step 5 now, okay, guys. In the step 5, guys, you focus on deep learning, okay, where you use Keras kind of libraries, where you use TensorFlow kind of libraries, where you use PyTorch kind of libraries, guys, PyTorch kind of libraries, okay. And in the this deep learning is, guys, sometimes also referred as working on neural networks, guys, working on neural networks, okay. And guys, finally, you are at 6th step, which is the most advanced as of now, okay, where you work on reinforcement learning, guys, reinforcement learning, okay, where you talk about what is the reinforcement learning, what is the a Markov decision process, what is other things, kind of things, where you work on a tool called OpenAI Gym, guys. Who I'm telling you, OpenAI Gym. It's a tool from Tesla, okay. So this is your career path, guys. And I told you that as of now, you may be in this slot, you may be in this slot, you may be in this slot, you may be here, you may be here, you may be here, right? You can be anywhere, guys, but a company will always offer you a job in this domain. And then you get the experience, you move to the other steps, right? You become a machine learning engineer, you become a data science engineer, you become a deep learning expert, you become a reinforcement learning engineer, but your starting point would be here, guys. So guys, did you get it? Guys, I told you what could be your a blueprint, right? What could be your blueprint if you want to take the opportunity what AI is offering in the guys, in the world of jobs. Guys, let me know what is your feedback. Do you get this? Guys, do you get it? Ria says yes. Okay, thank you, Ria. Anmol, Aditya, okay, Simrat, Simarpreet, okay, Akshata, a lot of people. Param is also there. Toshi. Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Neha is back. Okay. Now, guys, I will talk about the data analytics internship details, guys. I will talk about the data analytics internship now. Okay. So let's focus on that part, guys. Okay. So I'm bringing a document for you guys. Here is the document. Okay. So guys, effectively, what we call this internship? We call this internship as software project development internship. So guys, in this internship, you work on a project and that project comes from a real client. That problem statement comes from a real client, guys. Okay. What exactly you do in this? Okay, guys, in this internship, guys, you develop and maintain a project. And obviously, because most of you guys are freshers, you have no idea how to work on a real life project. That's why you need a guidance, you need a mentorship, right? You need a hand holding. And that's where a senior team from Fast Coding School will help you guys. So you're not alone. Don't think that you have to do it alone. No, guys, we know that most of you guys are from university or college. You may have an idea around how academic projects are developed or how toy programming is done, how you can develop a project in your lab, but this is going to be a real life project, guys. So here the scope is much wider, much larger. So you need a assistance, you need a help, and that's where the team from a FOSC will help you. Okay, so this is there. Okay. Now, guys, during this project internship, you also develop the skills as well while working on the project. Okay. And guys, the third point, this is not a theory course. This is not a theory course, guys. Okay. So guys, please hold on your questions. I will take every question. Don't worry. I will, not let any single question go away without answer. I will answer every single question that you ask. Okay. Now, guys, when we say that, okay, now I understand what is the project internship is, you need to understand that why you need the project internship, why this is a different approach, from first coding school. So guys, the first point is this, that there are a lot of theory courses available on internet. Okay. And, you know, and none of these courses really talks about that how a real industry project is being developed. And guys, we are going to tell you, and you will learn here, right? You will learn here that how to develop a real life project. Okay. Now, guys, if you are a working professional, that is also fine. If you are a working professional, you want to switch to other domain, okay, you can still join this internship, because the kind of project you will work here, the kind of project you will develop here, that project is really, helping you in your resume, and that will enhance your chances of getting a call from a company which is working in this domain. So guys, this is for freshers as well, and this is for the people who are looking for a job change, or the people who want to make an entry in this domain of data analytics and data science. Okay, guys. Now, guys, this is going to be batch 10. So this is, guys, batch 10. We have already completed 9 season. The 9th one is going on. Okay. And we have a lot of people in the current session, guys. As of now, there are a lot of people who have joined in project 7 or 8. Param Choksi is there, Neha Bora is there. I have not seen other people, but I think a lot of other people are also there. Guys, let me summarize that why you should join this project internship, guys. The simple reasons are given here, that in this internship, guys, you work on a real project, guys, a real problem. So it is going to give you a real project development experience, guys. And this is going to be a very, very strong addition to your resume. Guys, the duration of this internship is 4 weeks. Guys, the duration of this internship is 4 weeks. This is close to 30 days. Guys, after the completion of this, you will get a letter of internship, guys. You will get a letter of internship. Okay. During the project development, guys, okay, during the project development, guys, you will have a complete support from the FOSC team. Okay. And guys, you can include this project as your final year project as well. Okay, because the industry projects are valued more than your college or academic projects. Okay, and guys, you will also get a certificate of completion that you have successfully complete the internship. So guys, you get a letter of internship from FOSC Technologies. This is the development arm of the FOSC. Okay, and you will get a certificate of completion from FOSC Coding School. So guys, we have 2 arms. One is the development or consulting company with the name FOSC Technologies. So internship letter would be issued by that company, and the certificate would be issued by the FOSC Coding School. Now, guys, I'm coming to a very important discussion. So please all focus. Guys, the theme of this project internship season 10 is data analytics and powerful visualization. So guys, what you will do in this internship, you will work on a data analytics real life project, and you will do a powerful visualization, guys. Okay, the technology stack that we are going to use, guys, okay, in this 4 weeks internship, guys, or 30 days internship, we would be using Python, we would be using Pandas, and we would be using an open source library called Dash that is used very much in the industry for visualization and creating the UI, guys, user interface I'm talking about. And guys, don't worry if you don't know Pandas. Don't worry if you don't know the Dash. We have a solution for you. So don't worry if you don't know Pandas, you don't know Dash, and maybe these are the new terms you have heard for the first time. Don't worry, okay? only thing that you should be knowing, that you should have a knowledge around basic Python. So guys, to join this internship, what is the prerequisite? The prerequisite is that you should be knowing the basic Python. I'm not even talking about the advanced Python. What comes in basic Python, guys? You should be knowing how to call input method to take input from the user, how to call print, how to call while loop, how to call a for each loop, how to use if, how to use else, how to use elif, okay, how to use list, how to use dictionary. These basic things you should be knowing in Python, okay, because we would be not teaching you Python. What we would be training you on, we would give you a training on pandas. Don't worry, we will teach you pandas, how to use pandas, and then how to use in development. Guys, we will teach you how to use dash and how to use it in the development. So that would be there. So guys, these things are covered in our internship, but this one is not covered. You should be knowing the basics of Python, okay? And guys, if I told you that you will get a letter of internship and you will get a certificate of completion, if you are applying to study in foreign universities, guys, we will give you a letter of recommendation as well. Guys, if you are planning to do MS, okay, and want to go for foreign universities, guys, they need a recommendation letter. We will issue a recommendation letter, guys. At the time when you are applying for that university, you can ask for a letter of recommendation from FOSC. We will issue, and we have done it successfully for a lot of students in the past as well, guys. Okay. Now, guys, other than Python and pandas and dash, we would be using a small, kind of piece of HTML stuff as well, and a CSS as well. Because now you would be working on a real life project. A communication becomes very, very critical, guys. You should have a communication platform where you can ask any question 24/7, right? Any question 24/7. We would be using a communication platform called Slack, guys. Slack is a very, very powerful tool, guys, and we will use this tool, and you will really love it, guys. We'll really love it. Guys, now I'm coming to the details of the client problem, guys. I'm coming to a problem, okay? Guys, the data set that we would be using, the client has given a data which has around 1.9 lakh records, guys. So how many rows the data has, how many records the data has? The data has around 1.9 lakh records. This is there, guys. Okay. And guys, who is the client as of now? The client is a senior army personnel, right, guys? Guys, the client is a senior Indian army personnel, a very senior guys who is honored with a Kirti Chakra. Okay. And guys, the data that he has given, the data is known as terrorism data, guys. The data that is related to terrorism. Okay. And that has covered almost past 10 years of data, 10-15 years of data, right? That what are the different kind of attacks that has been conducted in Kashmir and other states of India. Okay, what has been the loss, whether it's a property loss, whether it's a human loss, or what kind of things. Okay, so guys, this is going to be a terrorism data. That means we are going to perform analytics on terrorism data, guys. A very exciting a data set. Okay, guys. So we have a client from a senior, we have a client from an army as a very senior person, okay, right now posted in Kashmir. That is the only detail I can share with you. Guys, we have around 1.9 lakh records of data. And guys, we would be analyzing it. We would be playing with this data. We would be visualizing it. You will really love this process. Okay, guys. And what I told you, the prerequisite is that you should have a basic knowledge around Python. That's it. And guys, when this internship is really starting, the internship is starting, guys, next Monday. Guys, this is the start date. The start date is 9th November, and the time remains the same, 7:30 p.m. Okay. And how much time you need to give every day, guys? Every day you would need to give around 1 hour, guys, daily. And depending on your pace, depending on your efforts, okay, guys, and depending on your current skill set, it can vary from 1 hour to 2 hour, 2 hour maximum, 1 hour minimum. That is the time required, guys, every day from Monday to Friday. Okay, that would be the time, guys. Now, guys, we have broken up this internship into 4 weeks, guys. We have broken up internship into 4 weeks, guys. So now I'm talking about that how the internship will take place. So if you participate in this, how it is going to be for you, guys. In the week 1, what I told you, that I'm assuming that most of the people are from academics, from a second year, maybe first year, maybe third year, or maybe final year, guys. Okay, and in this week, guys, we would be doing a training for you. Okay, so in this week, guys, the complete focus will remain on the training, where what we do, we understand the problem statement given by the client, we understand the solution approach that we need to develop, we'll understand the wireframe, that how exactly our application will look like. Okay, although we have not developed the application yet, but still we have created a sketch of it, that how the user interface will look like, how the UI will look like. Okay, what could be the visualization. Okay, so we'll talk about that, and we'll also start with the coding, guys. So we'll understand around pandas, we'll understand other stuff as well. So guys, in this week 1, we will prepare you so that next 3 weeks are comfortable for you, and you can start writing the code as well. Okay, in the week 2, guys, what we do, we have a training component as well, but now the focus also goes to a development part. And guys, what I'm telling you, it's a guided development. Why guided? Because a lot of people a lot of people would be doing the real life project development for the first time. This is not your college project, guys, this is not your university project, right? This is going to be something really, really, a real, guys. And in this guided development, guys, we would help you. So you will have live mentor coding sessions where we will teach you that how to solve a particular problem related to this project. Okay, this is there. So guys, what I told you, in the week 1, we have a training component for you. In the week 2, guys, we have a training. So maybe 40% is training and the 60% is development. That is the, a kind of breakup I can tell you. Okay. In the week 3, guys, we call this week 3 as a solo development. What do you mean by solo development? The solo development means, guys, now you start getting more involvement, because now you have got a confidence, now you have got the training as well, now you know how to use the tools, now you know how to write the code, now you know how to approach a problem, so you can start writing your own code as well. And that's why we call this activity as a solo development. But that doesn't mean that, guys, we are not there. We are still there. We are not going anywhere. We are with you for entire 4 weeks duration, guys. Okay, we will not leave you until the successful completion of project. Okay, so guys, in the 4th week, still we have a solo development, and we start finishing the project submission. So we start doing the packaging, we start creating the demo, we start using the GitHub as well, guys. We'll have a demo around GitHub as well, how you can post your code on the GitHub, guys. GitHub is a repository, guys. It's a cloud-based repository where you can push your code and people can see it. So this is how the 4 weeks would be there, guys, because Diwali is coming in between, guys. Diwali is coming, so guys, we will adjust the weeks according to the Diwali break. So we will have a 4 or 5 days around Diwali. That would be a complete break. We will not having a session, guys. We will not have any development activities around that. So guys, this is the break of your internship. Okay, now, guys, let me talk about a problem statement. I just give you a brief idea around the a problem statement, guys. So I have a document, guys. I will go through this document on Monday when we have the first day of the internship, guys. This is the complete requirement document that we have got from the client. Okay, and we will talk about all the details on Monday. Don't worry, right? So here you can see we are talking about the client expectation, guys. And as of now, the client is responsible for internal security in the state of JNK, right? And we are going to make a predictive analysis tool. Okay, so we have a lot of things to do. We have a lot of analytics to do, guys, on that terrorism data. Okay, and we would be surprised that kind of inside kind of information, kind of knowledge we can infer from that given data set, guys. You will really love that part. Okay, finally, how the application will look like. I think we should have that idea that when I work in this project for 30 days, when I work on this project for 4 weeks, ultimately what kind of UI I need to make, right? How the UI will look like, guys. So UI that will look like, guys, would be similar to is what I show you now, guys. So this is how the UI will look like, guys. We have applied a lot of filters here. You can, these are the drop downs, guys. We can select a lot of filters. You can see, guys, the terrorist attacks across the world. Here you can see, right? And here you can see, guys, the terrorist attacks across India. Okay, these are the kind of UI we will create, guys. This is not something I'm talking hypothetically. This is something which will become reality, guys, when you work on the project, guys. Okay, and guys, this is the kind of you need to show various locations. Okay, based on the filters. There you can see, guys. We are showing. Okay, then kind of a patterns, guys. You can see, guys, year on year, guys. Starting from 1970s to 2018 and so on. Okay, so guys, we can see the country attack, the reason, the target, the terrorist organization, the type of attack, the weapon they used to perform the attack. Okay, so guys, here you can see. Can you see? These are the beautiful visualizations done. And guys, these will become reality. Okay, this is not something which I'm just showing you. Under the guidance from the senior team, you would be working and developing these UIs, guys. This is here you can see. These are we call them as a wireframe. So what is the wireframe, guys? I sketch that how exactly the application will look like when you develop it. Okay, so this is called the wireframe, guys. So I have showed you, guys, the problem statement, and I have showed you the wireframe. So problem statement is from where we will start our journey, and the wireframe is where we will end our journey, guys. So start yahan se karenge, and dhire dhire across the weeks, okay, we'll reach to this state, guys. That is the journey of your internship, guys. Okay, that is the journey of your internship, guys. Okay, and now, guys, how you can join it. Okay, you have come to a webinar. Okay, you register for this webinar, you showed the interest. Okay, and that's why we conducted this 1-hour webinar for you. Okay, and now once every detail has been shared with you, okay, now you are in position to take a call that whether you should join it or not. So guys, this is the registration link where you need to register for free as of now. Okay, and guys, we are starting from Monday. Okay, well, starting from Monday, the timing is same. Every day we are going to meet for 1 hour from 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. guys. Okay, so this is the link I have shared. So you have to register on this, guys. Then only you will get all the details. Okay, and you will get all the meeting details. Okay, so guys, this is the link. Okay, now guys, other details. As I told you that this is going to be a 4 weeks internship, guys. Okay, this is going to be a 4 weeks internship. We want to be very, very transparent with you. And that's why, guys, we are keeping first week completely free for all. Anyone can join. Anyone who want to have a taste that how the real life, a project internship goes. Okay, you can test it, you can experience it in the first week, guys. Okay, and when you make up your mind that yes, this is something you were looking for, this is something which can really help you in the future, this is something which will really make your resume stronger, right? You can pay at end of the first week and join in the second week as well, guys. So people who register right, and pay the fees, they would be allowed to continue from the second week. The first week is open to all. The first week is completely open to all. And what is the fee that, guys, you need to make a pay? Just 3,000 rupees. That is the amount for 4 weeks duration, guys. You get a letter of internship, you get a letter of completion, you get a uh, right, you get a letter of recommendation. So you have to pay at end of the first week, guys. So to start with, you don't have to pay anything. You have to just register on this link and join us on Monday without paying a single penny, and experience in the first week, and then take your decision. So guys, this is something which we do in almost every batch. Okay, guys, now I have a very important, so I will take 5 more minutes and then we are open for the question answers, guys. Okay, we are open for the QA. Guys, I have compiled around 10-12 students from project batch 9, guys. So I have taken their statements and I asked them a question. मैंने उनसे एक सवाल किया कि यार तुमने ज्वाइन क्यों किया? Why you paid the money? Why you registered for this internship, guys? Okay, and then they gave me answers as per their understanding. Obviously, everybody is different. Everybody thoughts in a different way. So Vaishnavi from Project 9 says to learn by doing rather than listening to theory. So what was her purpose to register? She was more interested in doing a practical job than doing theory only. What Anushya says, I thought I would try to understand a real life problem. That was the motivation from Anushya to join it. What Karthik Jaiswal says from Project 9, Karthik says that I wanted to know the basic of analytics and how to get, how it gets done. I wanted to experience this, that how the analytics is performed. Okay. What the Krishnan says, I love Python and I have been doing some online tutorials during this quarantine. I never touched data analytics in Python, so I enrolled this internship, sir, and it's really interesting, by the way. Okay. What Nisad says the title of the project, guys, the Project 9 title was called Data Analytic. It was a telecom data project. It was not terrorism. It was some other data set. So guys, Nisad says the title of the project and the mainly to get the experience of solving the real-time client problem. Okay, to get the knowledge of practical use of programming, right? What the Raghavendra says, the college helps us to get theoretical knowledge, whereas internship helps us to have hands-on and practical knowledge. That was the motivations people are, are showing. What Kusuma says to get hands-on project experience. What the Bimal says, sir, I want to learn more deeply about data analytics and gain as much knowledge as I can. What the Anurag says, sir, I have already doing coding in C++ and Python, but I don't have any certificate and also never done any internship to put in my resume. I want one for my resume to get internships, and also data analytics will help me in the future. These are the motivations, guys. What Siley says, sir, after attending the first week, I found it interesting, something different than the regular studies, so I registered for the internship. Guys, what the Siley says, listen to it. Okay. What Joel says, sir, I was honestly tired of learning Python without knowing how Python connects to real world problems. Okay. And thanks to Instagram ad, I registered for this and I hope I would learn something from here. What Vishwa says, Vishwa is a mechanical student, guys. I expect you are here not just to make money, guys. I'm just showing you the real transparent feedback. Okay. So I expect you that you are here not just to make money. I seriously felt the responsibility shown by you and your team. I'm here coming from mechanical engineering. I feel more confident after joining this. Cheers to you and your team. Okay, guys. What Farhan says, last one, but not the least. The Farhan says, sir, I wanted to get started with data analytics. I know this program will push me to get into this field. Okay, I'm in my second year, guys. He is a second year student, and I want to get an internship in data analytics in future. I do want to get into ML, but the first step is data analytics. I have done many ML courses on Coursera, but hands-on experience is more important, and this program will get me this experience. I have been doing coding in Python since a long time. So guys, these were couple of kind of inputs given by our past participants, So I just wanted to give you around idea around what people are saying about us. So guys, that's it from my side. Okay guys, someone is asking for the registration link again, so let me share it again, guys. So here is the registration link, guys, starting from Monday to next week, guys. So yes, Adarsh, you are right. Okay, so if you want to continue in the second week, the registration is required. Okay. Ria says, can I join the first week without knowing Python? So Ria, it would be difficult for you if you have no idea around Python. Okay, so you should know the basics of Python, that's it. But if you are completely new to Python, then it would be difficult for you to carry along. So Ria, what you can do if you are really interested to join from the first week and you do not know Python yet, you have couple of days. So what I can suggest you, Ria, you can go to our YouTube channel. Okay, so you can go to our YouTube channel, Ria. So let me talk about that. Okay, so Ria, what you can do, you can go to our YouTube channel. Just a minute. So guys, you can go to YouTube and search for Fast Coding School. Okay, here you go. And guys, you can go there, and we have a free Python series, guys. Free series for Python basics. You can go through it. It's around 7-8 hours of learning, Ria, and you can attend that. That is completely free, available, right? Aman Kumar says, what if we already know Python libraries and AML as well? So Aman, that's very good. If you already know the Python libraries, that will, give chances for you to learn, some of the deep things that can, that can be used in analytics. And you will really love that how you can use these libraries in the real world. Okay. Ranjit says, sir, can I get this video to jot down the starting things? Yes, Ranjit, this video is live on the YouTube channel as well. Guys, here you can see, and we will share you the link as well. We will share the recording, Ranjit, with you. Okay. Rakshit, I have told you that you can go to our YouTube channel, Fast Coding School, and there you can, attend the free videos available for basic Python, and you will really love it. Okay. Ramyak says, sir, I have absolutely no idea. However, I do know HTML and CSS. Is there any chance for me? Ramyak, I think I would recommend that you first prepare yourself in basic Python. Then I think it will make sense for you. Otherwise, you will struggle here and you will not really, love. You will not really, put yourself deep into this. So I don't think so. It's a good thing for you. I think first you should cover the basic Python. Okay. Darpan Khanna is saying, sir, what value does this internship hold in our CV? Okay, Darpan, let me tell you a story. Now, almost every company, whether it's a startup company, whether it's a big company, they want that people should have some real life experience while they are in college. Okay, so if you want to join a good company, a good team, they will need that you should know, a lot of things even before you join them, right, Darpan? So हर कंपनी दर्पण अब ये चाहती है कि बच्चा पहले से कुछ चीजें सीख के आए, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स उसने बना रखे हों. सिर्फ ये लिखने से नहीं आएगा कि पाइथन मुझे आता है या मुझे सी प्लस प्लस आती है, जावा, ये लिखने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दर्पण दर्पण आपको लिखना पड़ेगा कि आपने पाइथन में क्या प्रोजेक्ट बनाया, या जावा में क्या प्रोजेक्ट बनाया, या सी प्लस प्लस में क्या प्रोजेक्ट बनाया, वो इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? सो the story is changed now, so I think that way it is going to really add you a value in your resume for future opportunities. Darpan. Akshita Chaudhary saying, we are going to do this internship individually or in groups. Akshita, this would be an individual development. Guys, this is not going to be a team activity. This is not going to be a group activity. Akshita, why we are keeping this as an individual activity? Because once you develop skills individually, then only it makes sense to work in a group, right? Otherwise, what happens if you're working in a group? You never get a challenge to really develop yourself, right? What happens? You always hide, because someone else is doing, and that's why you don't feel the urgency to learn something new or to really face the issue. And that's why, guys, we deliberately do not allow people to work in group. We always allow people to work in individual capacity only, because that is the only way to develop the skills right now, and this is the high time where you should develop your skills, Akshata. So, guys, Ria says, until when the registration is open? So, guys, registrations are open by Sunday evening. Guys, Sunday evening is the last day where you can register. Okay. Ayush says, I know C++ and very basic Python only, loops and conditional programming. How much more Python should I learn for the course? Ayush, that's enough. Ayush, that is enough. What you know as of now, that's enough. Rest of the things you will learn during the internship. Okay. Aman Kumar saying, sir, learning a basic from a start will take a lot of time for me. Aman, you can watch the videos on a kind of a 2x speed or 1.5x speed. That way it will reduce your time. And learning is never a waste of time, guys. Aman, learning something new is never a waste of time. If your fundamentals are not strong enough, your foundation is not strong enough, you will always struggle. Aman, so that is my idea. You may take your own call. Okay. Sakshi says, is it okay to know a little bit Python? Yeah, Python basics. If you know Python basic, it's okay. Anmol Rao says, why? Okay. Anmol, as of now, our site is static only. We are working on that, and it will become dynamic very soon. So whatever communication happens, it happens in the real time only. So we are using WhatsApp and Slack and other tools, to communicate with you. Okay. Rutuja says, which concept of Python is necessary to start this? Rutuja, if you know the how to use input method, how to use looping, how to use control flow, how to use data structures like list or dictionary, okay, if you know these concepts, it's good. That is more than enough to start. Pratiksha Saras, sir, if I miss this batch of internship due to some reason, then should I join in winter holidays, or is there any another batch after this? Yes, we have other batch as well, Pratiksha. Okay, so if somehow you're not able to find the time, maybe you can join. So what you can do, Pratiksha, you can follow us on the Instagram, where we post every update related to a new internship batch. So you can follow us on the internship, so you will get all the details whenever we have something new. Shreyansh Chaudhary is saying, sir, it will be helpful me as I'm having a specialization in big data analytics, guys. Shreyas, this is going to really help you. Okay, because your specialization is big data analytics. So the company who hires you will ask you that what kind of projects you have done in data analytics, maybe big data analytics, or maybe a normal data analytics or simple data analytics. Guys, serious, this is going to be a really critical addition to your resume. Aman Kumar saying, sir, what would be covering in the first week? I do not have an issue in paying, but would not like to waste my time. Aman, I can guarantee you, we do not even waste a single minute. Whatever single minute of interaction that happens with you, it's a real worthy interaction. Aman, you will not really, you will not complain, that I can guarantee you. From the day one itself, from the Monday itself, it is going to be an engaging experience for you. Aman, take my words. Aman. Ranjit says, I'm pursuing my final year BCA. I'm in search for internship. So can I get here? I really don't know Python. Can I get it from scratch? So Ranjit, you can get this internship, but before Monday, right, you need to cover basic Python. That's it. Okay. So उसके लिए क्या करना रंजीत? उसके लिए YouTube पे जाओ, फास्ट कोडिंग स्कूल चैनल सर्च करो. लिंक तो मैं वैसे चैट में शेयर भी किया गया है. वहाँ पे फ्री पाइथन के वीडियोज अवेलेबल हैं. प्रैक्टिकल वीडियोज हैं, वो ज्ञानबाजी वाले नहीं हैं. उनको एक बार देख लो, so you get an idea around Python, and then you can start from Monday. Okay. Rakshit says, if I am unable to attend a class, can I have chance to watch it later? Yes, we will share a recording with you, Rakshit. Okay, so you can watch the recording. Okay. Aditya says, sir, can I join in December or in next batch, because in end of November there would be a CAT exam. I really want to join, but at the same time I don't want to rush to learn. Yeah, Aditya, that call you can take. You can come back in future and join it. Okay. Tahamina, okay. Sorry, I may be wrong in spelling out your name. So T Patel, I would rather say. So T Patel says, I have like very basic knowledge of Python. I have just started. It's okay. Yeah, and that's okay, Patel. Okay, if you know the basic of Python, it's okay. You can go. Akshita Chaudhary saying, which tool we are going to use for making UI in Python. So it is going to be a web application, Akshita. So we would be using Dash. It's an open source library. Sadhana saying, sir, this kind of webinar will happen every week. No, Sadhana. As of now, we do almost every fortnight. So we do 2 webinars in a month. Okay. So Rakshit Reddy said, do I have individual mentor until end of the course? Yes, we have a very, one-to-one kind of attention, Rakshit. So you will not, experience this kind of a issue where, you think that nobody is, giving attention to you. The team will take care of, even team will take a good care of you, Rakshit. Okay. Okay, then we have a question from Sahil. Sahil says, I'm an ECE student and pass out. How this internship will benefit me? Please explain. Sahil, if you are an ECE student, if you're an electronics student and want to make an entry into IT job, if you are looking for an IT job, then obviously this is going to really beneficial for you. But if you are really looking for a job from the ECE domain, then it will not help you. अगर आपको जॉब चाहिए आईटी डोमेन में, तो ये बहुत अच्छा चांस है अपने एक्सपीरियंस लेने के लिए, अपने रिज्यूम को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए, राइट. अगर आपको इसी ही डोमेन में जॉब चाहिए तो फिर ये आपके काम का नहीं है. ओके. Nimit, people are saying, I know C and Java. Can I learn Python in 2-3 days? Yes. Learning a new language, Nimit, if you already know a couple of languages, learning a new language is always and always easy. Okay. Now we have a Devvrat. Is your Python total course available on YouTube? Yes, Devvrat, it's available on YouTube. You can go there and watch it. Okay, around 6-7 videos are available there. You will get a very good understanding that. Dhaneshwari Patel is saying, sir, if I miss any class while week 1 or 2, what's the alternative? So Dhaneshwari, if you miss the class, we have a recording for you. So before joining the next class, you can go back and watch the recorded session and prepare yourself accordingly. Okay. Rutuja, as of now, we have an internship on data analytics as of now. Okay. So no internship as of now on web development. Rutuja. Okay. Sakshi, the time slot would be 7:30 to 8:30 every day, 1 hour from Monday to Friday. Okay. Akshita saying, I already know the basic Python, data analytics, and ML as well. I have already done one industrial project internship. So will it be good if I take this internship? So Akshita, why to remain in doubt? Join for the first week and then take the decision. Right, Akshita? Right? पहले week join करो, वैसे भी free है. Decision लो अपना, उसके बाद. You will really feel the difference. Okay. So what we are saying, we are not just saying, you will really see it in reality. Akshita. Okay. Rakshit Reddy saying, after completion of internship, will you help for searching a job? So Rakshit, yes, there is available, assistance is available, Rakshit, and even we connect you to the companies who are our partner companies, and they guys, whenever do a hiring, they inform us, so we can connect you to those opportunities, Rakshit. So no one can give you the guarantee, but this is what we do in every batch, Rakshit. Okay, so we help people, right? We connect them with the companies who are looking for people in Python or in data science or analytics or an ML. Okay. Akshita says, does FOSC Coding School provide a stipend-based internship too? Yes, Akshita. If you have the right skills and if there is an opening, okay, you can apply for them. And we do it on regular basis only. 1 month back, around 7, 8 candidates joined our partner company through our platform only, and they all are getting a stipend, okay, a decent stipend, and they all are working in the domain of artificial intelligence. Lakshita. Yes, Oppo A9 2020, we will share the recordings today. Okay. Ramyak says, sir, this project that we are going to do, will we able to see the real life impact of it, as in news articles or being broadcast on news channel or something similar? So Ramyak, we worked with this client, our development team worked with this client, and we have taken one problem statement from that project only. So this is really going to be a real life experience for you, and you will see that how the kind of project you have developed, right, can be used in any data analytics scenario, right? आप उसको कहीं पे भी use कर सकते हो, तो obviously it has an impact, right? Because that is very close to the real life solution, real life problem, right? So वो चीज है यहाँ पे. Amir Ahmedabad, so Amir, yes, you are right. I understand, but that was the past story, Amir, right? We are changing now. And obviously, say thanks to your friend who's recommended you to you, and welcome, okay, Amir. So, Anu Deepika saying, what are the system requirements to undertake this internship? So, Deepika, I think 4 GB RAM system is good enough. Okay, 4 GB RAM. Meenakshi saying, sir, BCom students can work on this project. Meenakshi, if you are a BCom student and if you have some idea around programming, then you can really, join this. Because BCom also, a kind of a domain where, people coming from BCom or biology or life science or, MBA background, they guys are moving into a data analytics domain now. And because you are from a commerce background, so you can better understand the data and patterns. But for that, I think you should have a basic knowledge around Python. If you have this, you can join this. Otherwise, it would be difficult for you, Meenakshi. Did I answer your question, Meenakshi? So that's there. So guys, tell me, give me your feedback, guys. I'm waiting for your feedback. Did you find this session useful for you guys? Yes, Akshita, it will happen after Diwali. Akshita, I answered your question. It will come after Diwali, what you are talking about, AML and DL. So Anmol Rai says definite yes. Akshita says, Tahama Patel saying yes. Meenakshi saying yes, sir, 100%, definitely. Guys, I was asking a question that was it useful for you? Was it a useful session for you? So a lot of people are now coming and saying yes. Akshita, okay. Som Sekhar is there. Sajal Srivastava says, yes, sir, 100. Yeah, Smriti saying, I'm waiting for Monday. Yes. Anmol Rao saying, eagerly waiting to learn. Yeah. Ramyak saying, extremely useful. Okay. Ria saying, yes, sir, it is very useful. Also, I'm studying data science, so it will surely help me grow. Yeah. Toshi is saying, yes, sir, very useful. Okay. Rakshit Reddy, if I have any doubts about intern, how can I reach? So, Rakshit, are you talking about the doubts before Monday? So I think you have any doubt, you can join on Monday. And after the Monday, we will have a Slack for the communication. So we will onboard you on the Slack where you can ask any question 24/7. Okay. And the people will answer that question. Ritvik says, I can't wait for Monday. Yeah, thank you, Ritvik. Yes, we will share you the recordings, guys. Rakshit Reddy saying eagerly waiting for Monday. Yeah, guys. So yeah, good day, guys. So guys, I'm done answering all the questions. Okay. And guys, see you on Monday, 7:30. We will share all the details once you register on the given link, guys. Okay. Uh, yeah, Ramyak, we'll do that. Don't worry. We are working on that. Okay. So Ramak, yes, FCS will offer you AI and ML as well in the future, Ramyak. Okay. So guys, I have shared the joining link as well. So if you have not joined yet, not registered yet, please do so. So guys, see you then on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye. And thanks for joining us. Okay. Meenakshi says, sir, please make a WhatsApp group, then we'll come to know everything about that schedule. Meenakshi, don't worry. We will give you a better solution than WhatsApp, okay, where you don't have to share your personal number with anyone else. Okay, so we will have a better solution for it, Meenakshi. Don't worry. You will, love it, and you are not going to miss anything. And every detail would be shared with you using that one. Okay. So guys, see you on Monday then. And guys, thank you again and joining us. And let's see. Let's start. Let's have a great start on Monday then. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you. Take care. Yeah, welcome, Ria. See you on Monday. Yeah, Amrita. Thank you. Welcome. Yeah, Meenakshi. See you on Monday.